Change up your PopGrip style in seconds without replacing the whole grip and swap out the PopSocket top for one of our TidePool PopTops. PopGrip base not included. PopSocket replacement top lets you change up your top's style or function to match any outfit, mood, or event. To change your top, just press flat and turn 90 degrees until you hear a click and swap your top or remove the top to wirelessly charge your phone. PopSocket replacement top offers the same secure grip so you can use your device one-handed and prop up your phone wherever you go. The PopSocket PopTop TidePool is compatible with PopGrip, PopSlide, PopWalletplus and PopCase. Top reviews from the United States. Great grip protection and stand for phone. My granddaughter loves her new PopSocket. It provides a great grip on her phone to keep her from dropping it. It's also a great stand so she can watch her videos. All-round great purchase and adds bling to her phone case.